Hey guys, it's Rekt Capital. Welcome to the channel and welcome to today's video about a bullish signal that you really need to keep your eyes on, really need to pay attention to, because there are many commonalities, recurring themes across many different altcoins, and this is a very bullish development in price I'm going to share with you today. Looking at Seller Network, you'll see that I'll compare a few altcoins and there's the same setup over and over, and this is pretty much rinse and repeat. So Seller Network right over here, this is a range, a very wide range, but what Seller Network is trying to do here is that it's broken into this range right over here, this being the range low, this being the range high, this being the midpoint of that range. So essentially speaking, Seller Network 2 weeks ago, weekly close above there, also managing to weekly close again and test this range low as a new support, while of course still dipping and retesting successfully this previous breakout pattern. So essentially speaking, Seller has now confirmed a break in to this range right now, and now we're seeing consolidation, or at least continuation, after all those very key retests. Looking good for Seller to just continue in this range and eventually manage to reach this range high, but first it has to breach this level, and once it does, we're going to see a nice rally towards the range high. That being said, the same exact situation is going on with Stratus. You can see that this range right over here, the range that I spoke about in the previous video from today as well, breaking into this range and testing this range low as a new support is vital to just rallying towards the upside and reaching the range high of this range right over here. So if you want to learn more about this particular coin as well as the next one, which is Waves, check out the previous video, check out the video in the top right hand corner, because Waves is also in the same predicament of trying to break in to this range. So essentially speaking, this is the range high, this is the range low, and it's trying to break past this range low so as to generate a 50% rally within this range. So the same setup in Seller Network in this range, trying to enter that range and test the range low as a support. Same thing here for Stratus, trying to test this range low as a support before rallying towards the high of that range. And the same thing is going on with Waves at the moment, because it wants to breach this range low, test it as a support, and then rally towards the range high and manage that intra-range rally. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and of course please leave a like if you enjoyed the video. I'm Rekt Capital and I'll speak to you in the next one. Speak soon.